Good day. I'm going to discuss the entity. First, liquid dye penetrant. Inspect large stress corrosion or corrosion fatigue cracks on non-porous ferrous or non-ferrous metals using this process. The dye will enter cracks, fissures, or other small opening by capillary action when applied to clean the metallic surface. After absorption by any surface discontinuous, remove excess dye and apply a developer substance to the surface. The developer acts like a blotter and draws the dye from the cracks and or fissures back to the surface of the part, giving visible indication of fault on the surface. The magnitude of the fault is indicated by quantity and rate of dye on the surface after developer application. Procedure. What I mentioned a while ago or description. First, we have to clean the test piece. After that, we're going to apply penetrant. Mostly they're red. After we apply penetrant, we have to wait a minute so the penetrant will go inside of the crack. After the penetrant applied, we have to wash out the penetrant on the surface. After we remove it, we have to dry it. After we dry, we have to apply developer. So inside the crack, the penetrant will go up here on the surface, so we can see where the crack is. For advantage and disadvantage of liquid dye penetrant. Advantage: almost all materials can be tested. Simple and low cost for a single inspection. For disadvantage: only suitable for surface defects. No information about the depth of flow can be gained. Raw surfaces are difficult to test. Ultrasonic inspection. Ultrasonic non-destructive testing, also known as ultrasonic entity or simply UT, is a method of characterizing the thickness of or internal structure of a test piece through the use of high frequency sound wave. The frequency or pitch used for ultrasonic testing are many times higher than limits of human hearing, most commonly in the range from 500 kHz to 20 MHz. First, we have to put rub on the metal or any workpiece. Once you're going to send the wave, the intensity goes up in the monitor, and once the wave touches the end and go back, the work echo will show. But if there is a defect in the workpiece, in the same, you have intensity in first. After that, the wave touch the defect area first, so in the monitor there is a defect echo, and then after that backward echo. And then if a full wave touch the defect, as you can see, the defect echo will show. This is actual. As you can see, there's a cylinder metal, or I don't know. There's monitor, which is just laptop with the program. They put the gel on the surface so the ultrasonic will detect clearly. Once the rope is detecting the cylinder, as you can see, there's the same result what I said before. Once they detect, once the wave reach the pure end, there's no any deflection frequency. But if there is a defect, there is the first detect of echo, then previous frequency. This is the ultrasonic inspection advantage and disadvantage. For advantage, there is rapid result, both surface or subsurface defect detection, safe, capable of measuring the depth of defect, may be battery powered and portable. For disadvantage, trained and skilled operator requires high operator skill, good surface finish required, defect in identification, coolant may contaminate, no per no per no permanent record is there.